What's up, peeps? Oh, what a day. What's up, everybody on TikTok? I know I'm live there. Why does that look dark? Oh, the safety trade.
If you suspect a market crash is around the corner,
I do suspect.
Your suspicions are correct.
Oh, is that right? Well, who are you, douchebag? And why isn't this repeating? What's up, peeps? Yeah, what part about loop didn't you do?
Tell them. Yo, I trade
anyone.
Come on alive, choose your
Weapons.
SP,
What's up, peeps? All right, give me a minute. I don't even know anyone's here yet. We're gonna go over. Loaded. Analytics, everything's kicking ass. Content, everything's kicking ass. Yep, here we are. What's up, peeps? It's over. Over. It's over. Fake traders. Yeah, baby. Ha ha. Edit video. Peeps. Hope you all have been making some good demo money. Hope so. I gotta move this one over. Give me just about 30. And why isn't this not repeating? Give me this about the end of this song, about a minute and a half, 2 minutes.
Tell them. Yo,
I'll trade anyone.
Come on alive, choose your weapon.
Pins.
You
haven't got the Bach. The sniper. All right, now we're live. All right, let's see if anybody's here. What's up, Jones 808? Good evening. Good evening, Alex. Bradley. Crash. Kirk. What's up, Kirk? What's up, Lazarus? User 2403. What's up, Julius? Tit. What's up? Line Fibonacci. What's up, peeps? Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Sevens. What's up, Hagen Damashin? What's up, Hagen? Good afternoon, everybody. All right, that's fun. I haven't listened to music loud in a long time. Good news, bad news. Bad news is it's been a hell of a bitchin' thing trying to get this coded for the robot. The good news is we're working on it. The better news is it's still calling trades, but a little too often. So we're working on that right now as you speak. But the Breebot, the fully automatic trading robot, is coming, is on its way. It will happen, unless I die, so you guys better pray I live. And yeah, it's coming around the corner. Yes, she is. She's coming around the corner. Yes, she is. She's coming around the corner. What's up, D-Man? What's up, D-Man? She's coming around the corner. Yes, she is. Aussie Trader. Oh, you got a new name. My bad, Hagen. I should know that from your... I think you put that on TikTok. You can hear. Awesome. All right, you guys want me to go over anything in particular? I got about 30, 40 minutes, maybe not long. I know to most YouTubers or TikTokers, that's a long time. But for me, I'm just warming up, and it's quite embarrassing how fast that goes by. What would you guys like me to go over today? You name it, D-Man, and I'll do it. Crash, you name it. Kirk, you name... Where's all the women at? Is there any women on here right now? What's up, CV? What in the world? Okay, women, you're getting lax on me. Where are y'all at? We're at 1%. We got up to 10%. But there was some lives where it's been like 50% women, but evidently not lately. Well, I got out of the groove for a minute there. How was open this morning, everybody? Was open pretty good? Let me see. I know some of you think that I never look at the charts, but I never look at the charts. Let's see what we have going on. There we go. We need this. So we're red. I'm going to go ahead and say it went down to the 2 hour, like I said. Like I said. Everything's happening in my head. Look at that. Beautiful. Now watch. I have no idea, but I'm going to give you guys one clue. Oh, can I do it though? Fuck, maybe. My ice cream recorder is fucking around with me. Look, between now and 9:30 tomorrow morning, you're going to see the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, and I can't get to the 30-second. All convert over to green. That's called an overnight reversal. We have a robot, semi-automatic. It tells you when to take a fucking 30-second trade, for instance, the Keith pot. In memory of the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Did I miss my call-outs tonight? No, Kim. What's up, Kim? Good evening. Let's say, oh, good. Now 3 people. So there's 2 women now. I'll let the ladies go first. Did I miss any call-outs? No call-outs yet. I'm just telling you right now what to look for overnight. Please type out the word yes if you understand to look for the overnight reversal. They've been dropping this hard. It will flip around by 9:30, 10:30 at the latest a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The only thing you guys missed was some bad singing by me and our absolutely coolest theme song you could ever want in the history of the world. All right. XBX. I haven't got the buck. You haven't. Now you got the song and the bad singing. And then what's going to happen? After it goes up, it's going to come down again, bitches. What does that mean? Easy peasy. I don't understand how people have trouble with my system. It drives me nuts. And then after this turns green, they will all turn red again, and you'll see the 3 hour turn to red. Oh, I can't even get to it. That's funny. I'm sure you've already called it, and I'm sorry if so, but what's your call on Bitcoin and XRP? When is the Breebot going live? Well, that's a $1 billion question, Bill Graff. $1 billion for Bill Graff. So TradingView has so many time frames to analyze. Is the broken box still worth $1 million? Curious. Abso-fucking-lutely. Yeah, the broken box is worth 1 million yeses. 100%. You just have to know which one you're reading, but yes, 100% yes, correct. Bet you guys hate that little whistle. Kev, I can't see the UTC time frame. It's UTC plus 2. All it is Athens. It's always Athens time. I don't care if it's UTC plus 2 or 3. It's always Athens time. It's in the rules. You should know that. The Breebot would be going live as soon as humanly possible, but unfortunately, one of our humans that was the main one working on it, the great Keith Palmer, has recently passed now. I think we're coming up on 2 months. What a horror fucking show that is. My heart goes out to Sunshine and to his children, especially KJ and Chad. But yeah, we're still working on it. KJ and Chad are working on it. They're having a little growth, little learning curve on how to do the indicators. I think they're figuring out real long and hard that their dad was a fucking genius. Yeah, Keith Palmer, genius extraordinaire, amazing coder. But don't worry, it will never stop until I have the Breebot completed. Best guess now is 3 to 6 months. We were within 80% of being closure on the one that we were working on, but we're not there now because Keith passed. So that's all I can do. Yo! Props to you, Keith. Miss you, man. Absolutely. Good evening, Persistence. I've got 3.5 hours back home. I cannot stay on that long. I wish I could. You got me for about 28 minutes, though. I'm sorry to hear that. I did not know. Yes, Bill, he passed. So please be patient. Please keep him and his family in your prayers. I know we're all anxious to get the Breebot done, but that kind of threw a monkey into the wrench of things, I guess you could say. Yeah. Oh, well. Love, Keith. Love you, man. Look at that 2 hour. Let's see. We're going to the 3 hour. Oh, yeah. Play any stealth. Hey, I don't have my write-up. Fuck. Hold on now. Oh, this is the wrong channel. God, how many channels do I have? Let's see. There we go. This is better. Helping beginners and all traders become more consistently profitable. What the hell is this noise? It must be turning. All right. Would you all agree with my tagline? I'm here trying desperately to help beginners and all traders become more consistently profitable. Is that a true statement or a false statement? True or false? Am I here desperately trying to help beginners and all traders become more consistently profitable? Is that true or false? What's up, Kim Moyel? I'm trying to record the call out time. I don't know what that means, Kim. I'm not calling them out this moment, but I'm sure I will. I need answers. Am I here trying to help you all become more consistently profitable? Yes or no? Because that will determine whether I stay on for the next 30 minutes. What's up, Michelle Glowinski and user 8617? An Aussie trader. Fucking true, says Bandit Trader. Now that, okay, thank you, Barani. Thank you, Bandit. Thank you, Sog. Kirk, Kim, George. All right. Because I am absolutely doing everything in my power to try to help you all succeed. So let's see if I can do that. I'm going to move this way over to here because we have no room to do my thing on. Kim can't see the time on your trading view because of the red banner. Oh, it wouldn't be the trading view time you need to worry about. It would be your the time on the YouTube video, which would be 1424. That's how I would do my time. If you're looking at the 1600, it's 1:16 and 13 seconds UTC2 time. But I can't do anything about that. I'm keeping that up. So I don't know. Maybe I can push in my... Let me see if this raises it for her, though. Hold on. There. That might help her see it, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. The time, says Kim. Yeah. 1:16:44, but again, I would look on the YouTube video, but whatever you guys want to do, I'm just here. I'm just here having fun. Oh, thank you, Mike. My brother gave me little props out there. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right. So someone asked for Bitcoin and someone asked for Ethereum. Hold on. When is the Breebot going live? Is it still worth $1 million? It's worth 10 million. Yes, is the broken box. Bitcoin and XRP. Got it. All right. Let's go over to Bitcoin. I made you all pros on it. I'm about to make each and every one of you a 100% pro on Bitcoin. You'll be able to read the chart of Bitcoin just like me by the time I'm done with this. If I can even find Bitcoin. So much for being a pro. I don't even know where it's at. There it is. Bitcoin. So the first thing I would do, as I always do with every symbol I read, I would, where's my little colors at here? Hold on. There we go. Let's do orange. Okay. Now, as I always do, I have, let's scooshy over here because we don't have a lot of room today. Uh-oh, shit. Sorry, screwing around on TikTok. There we go. There we go. Okay, now. All right, as we always do, I'm looking at my sniper rifle. We're looking at Bitcoin. The symbol is BTCUSD. It's Bitcoin against the dollar. What's up, Blackstone? I'll do gold if I have time. A Patriot, Bitcoin, and XRP. You're the first one to ask. Thank you. So I'm looking. I see Bitcoin 1 second is red, which means it's 1 second blue line is price is under that. Price is under the 5 second, 10 second sell to it, 15 second, 30 second. There's a 1 minute buy. So there's differences here. And the difference is I run businesses. No one knows that reference, so I always say it and laugh to myself. All right, so we're going to go to the 1 minute and we're going to see what the fuck is up between the 30 second and the 1 minute on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. 1 minute buy Bitcoin to the blue line. 80. Damn, Bitcoin's down here again? Oh, I got to tell Precious. Holy fuck. $89,225.25. 1 minute Bitcoin buy stop. Here we go. Instead of looking at that, let's keep going upwards and onwards, shall we? 30-minute, no. How low is this fucker? 9 hour, lower. 12 hour, sell. 12-hour Bitcoin to $82,208.50 fucking cents. Bitcoin getting rocked. Don't you just love it? Oh, I love it. Da 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 da. I wonder if she can see it. I think she can see the. You know what, Kim? You can always go to TikTok. There isn't any of the red banners on TikTok too for you, so you can see the time better, for sure. I've got a friend that knows nothing about trading, but he's been dabbling in crypto and asked me what my analysis is on it. I haven't checked crypto in a while. Just thought I'd get coached to call it. Nice, hey, Patriot. Laughter out loud. Then I'll just share the link to the stream to him. That's funny. I'll try not to cuss too much, not to piss him off. All right. That is Bitcoin sells. But let me tell you, I wouldn't play a sell on Bitcoin if you paid me $1 million, I would. What the fuck? I'd take the money. And Bitcoin can go as low as $63,055.20. Do I think it's going to go there? I don't give two fucks. The lower it goes, the higher it rockets back up. Bitcoin weekly sell to the daily blue line. Next, weekly, 3 weekly buy stop Bitcoin. How do I know? Because I'm smarter than the average Joe. No, I'm not. But I do know my system. So how do I know this is going to turn into a buy? Well, simply put, we can't put our arrow there because, well, we can't. Let's go over to here to 3 week and make sure I'm right, which I know I am. There you are. Yep. It is a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop Bitcoin. Take profit 1, 94,000, 98,000, 103,000, 109,000, 114,000. Bitcoin will go above 125,000. Bitcoin will go above 130 fucking thousand fucking. I must have hit a loop there. Dollars.
I am not a financial
He cuts like a sailor. Nice, A Patriot. Nice. So there you go. Bitcoin. Now, how can we make it so that all of you can understand the English I'm speaking? Because some of you still, and I'm scared of this, I see some of your shit going on in the Discord, and I shake my head in disbelief. I don't understand how you people cannot understand things better. From 20,025 indices pumped. The orange MA 9 hours breached for a buy stop. Then the 4-hour sell stop active at 25. Seems like 4-hour sell stop occurred after the 9-hour buy stop. Nicki Minaj reference. Yes, it is. The difference is I run businesses. Persistent. Send in an email. You have won yourself a $50 gift card for Amazon only. If you can't get an Amazon gift card, persistent, tough shit, you don't get the prize. But if you can take an Amazon gift card wherever you happen to live, you get it. Unless I'm missing something. Anyways, I've been investigating it since this afternoon, says Crash. Well, we could look at that too, but let me finish up my Bitcoin, please. So this is your Bitcoin analysis. You really need to understand that, as I told you, remember me just the other day, let's see, about maybe 2-3 weeks ago, if that, I told you price action was too far away from my sevens, if anyone here remembers this, that I said that price action was too far away from the orange line and it had to come down. Anyway, I remember when I did so not this past Monday, the Monday before, when I did my training, I told everybody in that class that Bitcoin was too far away from its 3-month orange line and it had to come down. Sevens, if you guys remember that. Nines, if you don't. But if you don't, you're slower than I am. TikTokers, welcome everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. What's up, Lazarus? What's up, Jel Habab? What's up, D-Man, Aussie Trader, Julius, Michelle Glowinski, user 8617, Alex, Tanny, CG, Misfit, Lucy's Handmade Design. Welcome to the channel, all you new. Under 40, 52. Okay. Yep, he called it. So that's what this is doing. So that's what Bitcoin is doing on a 3-month. Now, once it gets low enough, say once it gets down to about $77,777.77, do I think it's going to go there? No. But can it? Fuck yeah, it can. Look at the 3-month. This motherfucker needs to drop like a fucking rock. Technically, I wouldn't be surprised. You guys are going to die. Now, if we see Bitcoin at $47,239.20, I may sell one of my houses and just buy Bitcoin. I got to be honest. If it gets that fucking low, I got to tell Bree. Hold on. I got to write this down. Precious needs to be aware. Businesses. Let's see. We need Precious, Bitcoin. Yep. I'm telling you. I wonder if Precious would be willing to take a whole Bitcoin or not. Precious run businesses. Precious runs businesses. Precious run businesses. Oh shit, I just lost my thing. Fuck. Now I'm fucking around, so you can't fuck around and find out. I do this at a different time. Fuck. Difference is I run businesses. You guys are like, he's lost his mind. Yeah, a little bit. All right, so we now know our Bitcoin has to come down. There's no effing way it should be up as high as it is. It's still too high, but I did call it to come down, and it's still going to come down. Now, do we expect it to flip around and come back up again? Yes. Can it go down to $61,262? Yes. Oh, could Bitcoin go down to, people are going to go, that man motherfucker lost his fucking lives. There's no fucking way his mind is functioning properly if he's going to say Bitcoin can go down to 36,723. I'm telling you it fucking could. I don't think it will. I would be looking for my 3-week weekly buy stop I called. How will I know when it enters in the trade? Because I would wait for I would take any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 50 minute buy stop I can find on Bitcoin. You know, when this goes up on the weekly, 3 weekly, we are going to have This is how many chances you're going to have to get into Bitcoin, okay? Here we go. You're going to have time to get into Bitcoin on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, multiple times on the way back up. And then you're going to have time to get on the 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 11 hour, 12 hour, and daily buy stops. So you will have multiple times to get in this trade. Do not have FOMO, fear of missing out, FOMO. Don't have FOMO. We have so many times to get in. Bitcoin is dropping. You don't have to catch the very bottom, even though I'll get it there for you. I'm just telling you to take the 15-second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour. You'll have at least, by the time this Bitcoin buy is done on the weekly, 3 weekly, you'll have at least a dozen 1 hours to get in. You'll probably have over 50 entrances to be made on the 3 weekly buy. So if you can just hang in there, be patient, wait for Bitcoin to quit going down, and we'll know when it quit going down because it forms buy stops. Does everybody understand how to trade Bitcoin? Yes or no? Catchy catchphrase. Verizon says, let go 13,000 people today. Can you look at their stock? Absolutely, I'll look at Verizon. All right. The differences. So Michelle Golinsky says yes. Thank you, Michelle. Now, someone asked me something about from 20 indices pumped. Well, you can't really say all indices. So let me take a specific look. Well, I can't look at all of them for it, can I? Hold on. He's saying something about a 4-hour buy kicked in. If it did, you made a shit ton of fucking money. Please say you're not complaining about this 4-hour buy. If you played this 4-hour buy that I called, and it's okay. Hold on a fucking minute here. Hold on.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Is someone saying they made 573 pips on NAS alone, and is someone bitching about that? Is someone bitching about making 573 fucking... Is someone bitching? Who is this? Oh, he wants the 4-hour sell. Well, okay. How many fucking, if it's not a 4-hour, I don't see it's about. Okay, first of all, let's get something cleared up. This isn't a 4-hour sell stop. Let me ask you a couple questions. Let's zoom in on this so we can have a great learning moment. All right. Is one of our, where's my fucking drawing tool? Oh my gosh, my drawing tool is fucking up. All right, look, I don't have my drawing tool. Is this, let me move over here. Is the orange line above the yellow or green line on the 4-hour? Yes or no? Is the 4-hour sell a real sell? Yes or no? Is there red, 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 green here for a sell stop? So this is not a 4-hour sell. Am I clear? What's up, Haroon? Am I clear? This is not a 4-hour sell. I don't care who's saying this. Who is this? Crash? Oh, Crash is really good. No, this is not a 4-hour sell. So let's go downward and see if he means a 3-hour sell, I'm guessing, is what he's saying. Let's take a look. 3-hour sell. Is the orange line above the green? Nope, but there is a sell stop. Yeah. Yep. We have red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Pink line is high, purple, blue, but the blue isn't. So this isn't a 3-hour sell either. 2-hour. Is it a 2-hour sell stop to the fucking blue line? Oh my gosh. What's up, Sub-Zero? I'm on a roll. Just ignore me. I'm pretty hyper. This is a 2-hour sell stop for the reason being orange line above the green and the yellow. Now, technically, the yellow isn't above the green line on this one. Oh, shit. So it's technically, I'm going to run businesses. This is a 1-hour sell stop to the 1-hour blue line, technically, and the 2-hour blue line. Okay, so if this is a 2-hour sell stop, you enter in off the orange line right here. Well, you go down to wherever the fuck it's going down to. Who knows how to read this? How many fucking pips is this right here? How many fucking pips? Why can't you see that on TikTok? What's going on? Oh, we're not over enough there. Okay. How many pips would you made on the 1 hour properly called sell? Does everybody understand how we went from a supposed 4-hour sell to a 3-hour sell to the 2-hour sell to the correct 1 hour sell stop? Blue line high. If we go up to the 2, I'm sure it'll catch it. Maybe the 3 or the 4 will be the catch. I don't know. We'll have to see. Does everybody understand how it is a 1 hour sell stop to the blue line? And how many fucking pips is this? Lazarus. Thank you, Lazarus. 1,096 pips. Thank you, Lazarus, for speaking up. 1,096. Correct, Alex. Correct, Marbar. Now, sevens, if you understand how I went from it being called by one of my members, a very good member, a 4-hour sell. It is not a 4. There's red. There is nothing to do with a 4-hour sell. 3-hour sell. Red, green, red, sell stop. That's true. Orange line didn't go above the yellow or the green. Orange line is above it on the 2-hour. 2-hour sell stop. The blue line is high. That is true. That is a good 2-hour entry. I like the 1-hour entry better because of the yellow above the red. It's just the mirror opposite of what the regular is. What's up, Stacy Ocho? Sevens, if you guys understand how I went and called the correct time frame for this trade. Sevens, if you understand that. Nines, if you don't. Sevens, if you do. I'm running out. I'm down to 8 minutes. I don't even know how people breathe on these lives. I don't understand why they consider like an hour live a long live. I haven't even started breathing. I haven't even started eating or drinking water. I haven't even started moving yet, and we're already done with the live. I have 8 minutes left. What the fuck? So everybody understands this, right? Come on, peeps. Blue strips. Okay? I am supremely grateful, always and never complain. Absolutely. Thank you for that. Kim, yes. Lachey, yes. Crash, Alex. Okay. So that's how you read the charts. Now, what was the other part of that? You was saying like a 9-hour buy or something? Let's see. It's dot. When was this? When is what he's trying to say the 9-hour buy was? That? Yeah, okay. I can go with that as a buy stop. Ish, I guess. Is he saying 9-hour buy? What the fuck? 9-hour buy. It's just interesting the 9-hour buy appeared to occur before the 4-hour sell. No, I'm sure that there was buy stops on the 1 second, 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, way before the 9-hour. Now, if you're looking at the, I don't know when you would enter the trade. Is this today? Hold on. Is this a today 9-hour? November 19th. No, this is yesterday. I don't see the entrance on a 9-hour buy today at all. I don't know what you're looking at or talking about, to be honest with you. Singing blue strips. Yeah, girl in the elevator. Blue strips. Anyone know that song? Bear in the strip club. Okay, I see what you mean, says Crash. Thank you, Crash. I was waiting for you to do it. Yeah, the 9-hour was yesterday. Good, Crash. Now you're catching on. There was no 9-hour buy today. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't see that at all. And you can clearly see we're flipping in. See the pink line flipping. We're going down into that sell. So I've already called what's going to happen for you guys. Next, it's going to go up overnight. And then next stop is the 3-hour blue line sell for all indices. Now, someone asked for gold. Let me go over to gold before we run out of time because we're rapidly. Oh, that was Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the same as XRP, just so we're all clear. Let me do XRP for him real quick, too, though. Okay, the first thing I always read on XRP is the same thing I read on any symbol. I go to my charts. On my charts themselves, I'm going to see everything's red. Everything's going down on XRP. How far is XRP now? That might be another one I might get precious into. XRP, demo trade only, not a financial advisor. You can see everything is red on my rifle. So that brings me up to how low is this thing really going to? All right, we have a 9-hour nothing, 10-hour? 10 hour, nothing. 12 hour. Sell. Sell to the 12-hour blue line. It pretty much hit its blue line. $1.98. Daily. Daily. Daily, daily. How does your garden grow? Daily sell to where? Let's see. Interesting. Sell to $1.67. XRP. Do I believe it's going to go that low? No, but do I fucking care? Don't believe what I believe. Just fucking tell you what I tell you to do. This is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Again, it was completely overvalued, just like Bitcoin. That's why they're in my closed area, by the way. XRP, take profit. It will be going back to $2.18, $2.45, $2.57, $2.85. That is my take profits for XRP.
Demo trade only. I am not
Let me go to
a
gold
financial
really
advisor.
quick because someone did ask about gold and I don't want to not help them. Okay, not XRP. We're on gold. Gold. Let's see. We're going to wait for the rifle to flip in. Gold. I know we needed a weekly to drop, so I'm sure gold. There's a 1 second. There's a difference 3 minute, 5 minute. All right, let me do this pretty quick so I can make sure to get it in there. There is an 80% up to an 80% off sell on TradingView. I'd strongly recommend all my members to do that. 3 minute. Oh, shit. Hold on. My bad. Blue Strips. Does anyone know the song Blue Strips? Anyone? No, I guess not. Oh, that's funny. Blue Strips. Sink ships. So gold, 3 minute, 5 minute. What's going on with the 3 minute? Above. Buy gold. It's always a buy. To the 10-minute blue line, gold buy stop to $4,087. Then the $4,100. How low is gold gone? 1 hour buy gold to $4,212.90. That's gold. No. 10 hour. No. 12 hour buy. Buy. 12 hour buy stop gold daily. No, don't care. 12-hour buy stop gold. It's going to go down probably and form this daily, but I don't give two fucks. Gold's always a buy. Gold's going back to 4,100, 4,177, 4,238, and gold will go above 4369.36, and that is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
The
advisor.
trading view sale starts tomorrow. Yeah, they'll probably give it to you today, but whatever. Just get it if you can. Whenever you can get trading view, 80% off. Take that motherfucker. 4-hour sell stop pink had barely gone below 80 when take profit was hit on SPX. So I continue to hold through take profit 1 and 2 with high confidence. Probably not a good habit. Do you like that logic? Yes. If you still have room on, this is the main thing for SPX and NAS. If one of them has done something, the other one's going to lag and do it also. All right. I got a minute left. Oh, fuck. I can stay a little longer. We'll see how much longer. Blue strips by YG. YG? No, I don't know the initials YG. Good guess, though. Base fair pink on the sell stop was still topped at take profit 1 and 2. As long as you got your take profits going, just lock them in and let it run. Because whatever NAS does, SPX will eventually do, period. It's just what happens. All right, well, I called out all the indices, gold for you, same for silver, by the way, XRP for you, and Bitcoin. The way I read the charts is strictly the rifle, strictly my system. I have two fucks what there's any news about anything out there. Give me a break. Stupidest people on earth. Let's listen to the news. Clearly, you can see these cells setting up. This is another thing. Let's be clear. You guys are hopefully far enough along on this. Look. Oh, let me see if I can do it another way. Hold on. Let me see. Nope. Let me see if I can do it here. Oh, look at the 5 seconds switching. Let's see if the 10 seconds up next. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see what we shall see. Let's see. What we're looking at? Oh, switching. Let's go up to the next one. No, let's go up to this one. No, let's go up to this one. No, let's go up to this one. Yes. All right. Now, blue strips on the strip club. All right. We need to get to... Nope, not what I wanted. 10 seconds. Let's see that 10 seconds. Oh, yeah, baby. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. All indices, especially NAS and SPX. Woo! Take any 1 second, 5 second buy stop to the 10-second blue line of all indices. Told you it was going to happen. Told you. Blue strips. All right, that's NAS. Let me go back to this one, though. I want to check this out specifically. Blue strips. Yeah, we'll stay here. All right. What am I doing? NAS. Nope, don't care. Litecoin, don't care. Someone said some other one. Hello, Kev. I am supremely grateful. Nope. What's up, Kev? Verizon. Let me go ahead and check Verizon. The banner is confusing me. Oh, I got the wrong thing in there. Sorry. It confuses me too, buddy. Let me not hide it. Let me edit it. Let me go over here. Live trading. Yeah. There you go. You won't be so easily confused now, will you? All right. Where was our chat at? Verizon. Yes, let's go to Verizon. Verizon. What, like laying off 20,000 people is a bad thing? Don't you understand how these businesses make money? They want to lay off every last one of us and hire fucking robots. That's what they want to fucking do. Henceforth, while I'm here fighting with you guys every fucking day to try to get you guys to fucking make money trading, so you don't have to rely on these fucking shitty-ass fucking corporate jobs. I see a sell here. I don't know what this is about. So let's see. If I was going to read, which I am, blue strips, sink ships. Let's see if I can get back in it. That might work. Oh, look. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, yeah, now I can do it. All right, look. This is so much better. Oh, thank God. Sorry, I didn't late. Wasn't sure if it was today or not, says Kenny. What's up, Kenny? No worries, buddy. We have blue buy stop. We have red. This is Verizon. These are all sells. It's all below the 5 minute. To me, it looks funny right here and here. And then we go back to sell. So everything's been a sell. But let me just see what's up. I always like the rifle because, yeah, there you go. Blue strips to the 2-hour buy stop to the blue line. Verizon, $42.04. I don't give a fuck. You think laying off people hurts the company? That's all they want to do is get rid of all of us. So they don't have to pay us anything except for I don't know, $2,000 a month stipend or something like that from the government. So you're all sucking off the tits. So you all have to live by their rules. If the golden rule is those who have the gold make the rules. If they have us doing a universal basic income of $2,000 to $3,000 a month, all of you are going to be placated and sit back until they decide to take away that. We need to stand up. You need to learn how to trade. You need to learn how to be financially independent. Sell stop, 15-minute Verizon to the $40.61 mark. Good evening, Don Parker. Thank you for all your help, John. You're much appreciated in this life. I do appreciate John and Matt Parker. They're very good people. Blessing to our group, actually. So that is Verizon. 15-minute sell. That is also Verizon. 2 hour, 3 hour buy stop to the blue line. I'd only take the buy. Now, what's happening up here in the higher time frames for Verizon? I don't know. Daily buy to the blue line. Is it a daily, weekly sell? Oh, fuck. God dang, fuck. Daily, weekly sell stop Verizon. But I got to be honest with you. I'm so fucking sick. They ain't going down. I will call it to $39.41. But that's not what's going to happen. This is a Verizon strong ass weekly buy, $43.02. That's the trade I would take. $45.03, $46.50. Do I have a Verizon option? I thought I had something like that. Let me see. No, I have CVS and Target and United. Okay, so I don't really care, but that's what Verizon's going to do. Exactly what Verizon's going to do with no fuckery. That's what's going to happen. I feel like I have to rewatch this. Yeah, there is excitement in voice. Sorry I joined late, no problem. Taraya Edwards. What's up, Taraya? All right, so that is the Verizon. Sevens, if you guys understand that.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, and I'm going to have to get going. So we're going to play a little bit of music. Let's see if I can find my music. All right. Let's see what we got to see. We're going to play 2 songs. We're going to play one of the songs is, hold on. Loose Strips is this one.
Picture this. Saving up to 10% when you bundle your home and auto insurance.
Kevin, back in good spirits. Yeah, kind of comes and goes. So this is my song to my beautiful wife, precious wife, Bree. I think you guys know how much I love her and she loves me. And this is a song that I had written for Shiraz. One of our members did this for us. And he had AI make this song. And let's see if we can get it to actually play.
You see me shining today, but it wasn't always like that.
Any questions on TikTok? What this song is singing about here is I couldn't keep up. I used to own 3 gyms in Georgia for about 25 years, made shit ton of money from them. But then I opened up that 3rd one in Noonan, Georgia, and it took every dollar. I was spending $20,000 to $30,000 a month out of my personal account to keep all 3 gyms open. $20,000 to $30,000 a month in expenses out of my own personal checking account. Little did I know at the time that your retirement monies, $250,000 each, were safe, and I could have saved $500,000. As it was, I only saved I think it was like 150 or so, and I had to go bankrupt. So by age 40, I grew up poor. I had nothing handed to me. I worked 2 or 3 jobs. I was hustling before hustling was hustling. When I was growing up, I was working at a gas station, a lifeguard. I was doing extracurricular activities and making money. So all I can tell you is when this says that Bree is the only one that believed in me, everyone in my family saw me go from being a self-made millionaire by age 40 to going bankrupt by 43. Bree stuck by my side when I was trying to invent this system. My family, even my brother Mike, would make fun of me. Not bad, but just picking. You know how he does. My own mother and father gave up on me. My brother and sister gave up on me. My beautiful wife, Bree, did not. She stood by my side when I was dirt poor and had nothing left. So yeah, that's why I love her.
Bills working day and night, gym bills coming, that's more money. Blood sucking, show no mercy. Do you know the feeling of no hope? World weight crushing down on your shoulders, family gone, friends gone, hope gone. But the one that believed was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason it was free life. It was free, my hope it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She said.
Oh, why is there a pull-through problem? Latency. Oh, come on. No, no, no. We're listening to that again. The fuck's going on with my fucking internet? I swear to God, we're switching. Tonight, I'm going to have her do it when she gets out of the shower here. My heart just cried with joy. Yes, I do think I'll be on in the morning, yes. Leave loves Precious with all his heart. Yeah, baby. So that's that song for some of you who've never heard that before. Yep. Imagine 40 years old, 43 years old, bankrupt. Whew, that was a hard one. That one hurt like a motherfucker. Now this is our song. This is the song.
The raw system works perfectly.
Hey, now this ain't the song. Where is our song at? All right, guys. I will do my best to be on in the morning. But damn. What the hell? Oh, I keep kicking the wrong one. Jeez.
The new Auto Tune 2026 has been in the gym and it's dropped some weight, not in quality.
This is a song I love. I can give a fuck less if you guys like it or not. I love this song. Thank you, Shiraz. All right, TikTokers. God bless y'all. Have a great evening. YouTubers, what's your emergency? Got to switch to Verizon. One of my backups is my Verizon phone. A hotspot, it doesn't work. All right, guys. This is a fun little one. Lines Fibonacci. Me laugh. Ha ha. The old ways don't work. Come to the winning side, baby. You're welcome, Kim. I'm sorry you couldn't see the time. My apologies. Thank you for being here, Kim Blackstone. Thank you for being here, Positive. Thank you for being here, Crash and Paul and Kirk. Thank you all for being here. Peace out, peeps.